Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap East Haven local and long-distance movers near me. We'll also consider your relocation to be long distance if it exceeds 50 miles from where you currently live, even if it is within the same state, intrastate. Our services are not limited by distance, so you can be confident that we'll be at our best when you call us for your long-distance relocations. When individuals relocate over long distances, common difficulties include damage to things, lost items, and delays in moving your stuff to the new place. But with 3 movers in charge, you'll not experience any of these. Also, we work with you to develop a moving strategy that is compatible with your time frame, budget, and demands. Our movers are pretty good at what they do and have all the long-distance moving service permits required. They meticulously arrange and classify your belongings to avoid damage and mix-ups. Our moving vehicles comply with strict industry standards. They will comfortably accommodate, protect, and convey your stuff. Local relocations are less complicated than long-distance relocations. It does, however, need sufficient forethought and experience. 3 Movers provides high-quality local relocation services. We don't overprice our local relocation. Working with us will ensure a smooth ride to your new apartment or office in East Haven. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our East Haven moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.